You're probably aware of our twice-weekly figure and portrait drawing sessions, where you can join us and draw along with a tutor. But did you know we've recently improved our video search to make it easier to find what you want? Perhaps you want to find videos of portraits in oils or still lifes. We've also introduced an image search. We've chosen 1,200 of our favorite photographs and categorized them. You can find all photos with close-ups of an eye, or portraits in profile. Or perhaps you're looking for a model of a particular age, gender, or skin tone. Just log on to your account and follow the instructions from there.